Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been pretty busy, haven't had a lot of time to do photography lately, but I got out the other day and worked on a new film recipe for the Ricoh GR3. I'm going to call this one Natural Analog, I think, and as always, you can get the free recipe on my website, which is linked down in the description below. This one uses the positive film as the base layer and kind of builds on it from there. Lower saturation, and yeah, I really like the way that it turned out. I shot it in bright daylight, so typically that's like the worst time to shoot, and I still think it turned out okay. Now, I typically only do photos, but this time I did a little video as well. Now, if you've seen my Ricoh GR3 review, you'll know the video features and capability of this camera is not super high, but as just like a tool to capture a few simple memories, I think it's okay. And one thing that's cool about the recipes is that they work as a preset for photos, or like a recipe for photos, but it also works technically as like a LUT for video files that are captured on the camera. So I used it in that way and used the same settings for both video and photo. And it does all right in video as long as you don't need decent quality or good autofocus. But anyway, here's the sample photos and the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Check out the recipe on my website. It's free if you want it. All right, thanks for watching.